Hi, my name is Madison, and this is our video on our dilution series. So here we have our stock solution. When you have a stock solution, you want to fill it up to the appropriate line. So that's going to be where this is a 25 volumetric flask, and your meniscus should sit right at the line. A meniscus is a curvature of a liquid that adheres to whatever container it's in, and a meniscus occurs when there is surface tension and adhesion forces, which causes the liquid to take the shape of the container.
I'm Michaela, and we're going to be transferring our stock solution to the dry beaker from the volumetric flask. And we're doing this so that way we can pipe it out 5 milliliters of our solution to create our dilutions. And our dilutions will be a lower concentration of the stock solution.
My name is Ariana. I'm going to be taking 5 milliliters of the stock solution out of this beaker. It's not exactly at 5. I'm going to let something right now. And we're going to transfer it to a 25 milliliter flask. Now I have to get some distilled water using a pipette, and I'm going to add it all the way to the mark that's right here. And you need to ensure that the meniscus is sitting right on that mark.
You have to make sure.
Now that we've transferred 5 milliliters of stock solution and filled the water up, distilled water up to the line right here, so you see the meniscus is touching that line. We're going to transfer it to a beaker. And that is the end of dilution. Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to take 5 milliliters from dilution 1. Pour it into the flask. And then we're going to repeat the same process with the water and adding it until the line. And if it gets cloudy, we'll just add drops of ammonia to clear that up. Alright, so now that we have our dilution 2 with it just at the line, we are going to transfer it into a new beaker.
This is going to be our third dilution. Again, we're taking from our second dilution to create a third. So we're again going to get 5 milliliters of our diluted solution. This to sit at the line, so we have exactly 5 milliliters. We're going to transfer that to our 25 milliliter volumetric flask. Now we're going to take our pipette and transfer our water to our volumetric flask, filling up to the 25 milliliter line. Again, if your solution becomes cloudy, then at that point you can add drops of ammonia. As you can see, we have the meniscus sitting at the line, which is what we want for our third dilution. Now we're going to transfer our solution in the volumetric flask to our clean dry beaker. Now we'll take our third dilution and we'll put it next to our other.
We now prepare all 3 dilutions in our stock solution. Our stock solution is a more concentrated version of the 2 dilutions. And each of the dilutions are the molarity or concentrations determined by the equation M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2. So we'll take the molarity of the stock solution times it by 5 milliliters, which is the measured amount of stock solution we use, and we'll place it into a 25 milliliter volumetric flask. And we've diluted that with water into a 25 milliliter line, and that gives us a molarity of 0.004. Each of the dilutions contain a lesser molarity than the previous.
After you've finished doing your experiment, you want to make sure that you clean up your lab space appropriately. So I'm going to wash out all of our containers. You can grab some soap and a bristle brush to make sure you thoroughly rinse out and clean out all your containers. You look at your glassware, make sure there's no chips or cracks. If there's a chip or crack, notify your TA and discard the glassware appropriately. And return the glassware to the appropriate section of the lab.